everybody, Mike Pfeiffer with Pfeiffer Hobby again, which there again, you know who I am, I suppose. I don't know why I need to change the intro, I suppose. But anyways, got a lifesaver in my mouth. Sorry about that. But we're gonna do, I think, a little video today, update 70. It's another very small update as I haven't been out here working on this. It's just been hot. Now my excuse is that it's hot. But anyway, we're going to go into the how the layout here has been handling the COVID virus. And I'm going to show you what I did do in the times that I have been out here recently. So, let's take a look. We're going to start out today by just doing a little train watching. I think you guys have seen these locomotives. These are the ones I pointed out in the last video. The only differences between then and now is that I have them both running well together. I had to take the Atlas locomotive, which is the gray one, apart, and found out that the ends of the axles and the cups were really, really dirty and full of oil and grease. Got that cleaned up, re-speed matched them, which I very rarely do, and I'm not a professional at it, so please don't ask me to do a video on it. But I did get them running together, and we're just going to kind of follow them around the layout. And these are all of Gavin, not all of, these are some of Gavin's cars that he put out to make up a train. So we'll just follow it around. Okay, gang, you've seen all this um, in the last video, with the exception of the chain link fence that's around the sawmill. If you look closely in these pictures, you can see that I put chain link fence all the way around the sawmill, and right over there I put a gate in, and then over here I took some wood out and shortened up the yard. I just thought it was a little too long, and I have enough fence to go there, but I just thought it was kind of overwhelming. So I moved some of the wood piles and shortened up this little bitty narrow spot over here. So let me move your angle a little bit so you can see this a little better. Okay, here you can kind of see how the yard shaped up when I got done putting the fence around. Little more room for the trucks to come in. Piled some wood up, took some wood out. A little too much wood in there. And really that's pretty much it with the with what I've been doing. I had to clean up all of that chain link fence because it had been used before. So I had to take all the super glue off the bottoms of all the chain link. But I think it looks pretty good. I'll take you off the stand here and give you a little better shot, and we'll go to the shaky cam. Okay, gang, here's a little better close-up view of how the fencing turned out. Try and get you down here. And I have checked all the clearances on the fence along the track. I put some fence in before that was a little too close, and the trains hit it. So I made sure this time. So the lumber mill is pretty secured, and I'm sure that when I get out here again, I'm going to get to these trailers over here that I keep talking about all the time and telling you I haven't done nothing. I promise. Now let's do a little bit of talking about what's going on in Kachina. Okay, you guys will be happy to know that the governor of New Mexico has partially opened from the coronavirus, so everybody's out and about. You can see that the bikers, they don't care. But everybody had been socially distancing. The mayor of Kachina overrode the governor and allowed everybody to mix and mingle. But there are people out there that are using their masks, and there are people out there who are distancing. There are people who are not distancing. And it looks like in town here that is their choice. And fortunately, they have a choice. So everybody's been minding their P's and Q's. As I said, you know, the lunch stand is now reopened. Most of the businesses have reopened. Everybody is getting deliveries. Things are happening once again. So anyway, the folks at Kachina are extremely glad that the tourist business is back on. People are coming back. Business is becoming back to normal. And hope you enjoyed the video. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video today. And as usual, what do I say? You know what I say. Thanks for watching.